Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile phone to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mitsubishi Shogun. Not as intuitive as I'd hope anyway, but anyway, we'll start off right. So, no phones, no sign of a phone anywhere, only there. So, on to info. Now, that's already on mobile phone or is already showing, but if it's not, you could have anything here. Voice control, version, calendar. So you then have to navigate to mobile phone, click on. Now, there's still nothing. There's a load of numbers, erase, redial and back. But there's an arrow here. Click on the arrow. Reset all, pairing, lock, registration, phone book. Pairing. Right, so now we'll go to Bluetooth. Watch out at the bottom. And then we go select device to connect, pair device. Select device to connect, that's the ones that are already paired. So we want to pair a device. The connection between Bluetooth devices in progress. Use the passkey 1212. So it's showing hands-free system here. I'm assuming it's that. 1212. Pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. That's a good sign. It's brought up the sat-nav screen on my phone. That's it. That's showing. That's connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mitsubishi Shogun. So from any screen we go to info. We then have to find mobile phone. If it's not already showing, you just keep beeping along there till mobile phone comes up. Mobile phone. Nothing's showing. Redial, back, erase. But this arrow here, you click the arrow and then you've got reset all, pairing, lock, registration. You want to delete a phone. Counterintuitive. Into pairing. And then you've got select device to connect, pair device, set passkey fixed. Right. If we go to select device to connect, you'll see here there's three phones. Again, nothing really. But if I click on the arrow again, like so, edit and delete, I want to delete. That's the one I want to delete. Delete again. Do you want to delete the Bluetooth device? Well, yes, I've pressed it 3 times. Of course I do. It's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music or play music from your mobile phone through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mitsubishi Shogun. First of all, we go on to music. You'll see there at the bottom, if I click there, iPhone, hands-free system, Jaguar. Hands-free system is the one in this car. So whatever I play now, any audio, whether it be YouTube video audio, Amazon Prime Music, iTunes, Spotify, whatever, this sound, if you set this right, will play through here. Now, what do? There's audio there, but there's mode here. You're tempted to go on audio, but you click mode, and you'll see there, you've got FM, MW, or you've got FM, medium wave, Bluetooth audio. Click Bluetooth audio, and there we go. That's it. That's how you play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Mitsubishi Shogun. So any screen here, you've got here a little black and white flag. If you click that, you've got go home, address, junction, point of interest, postal code. So postal code. Postal code, there we go. That's it. All postal codes. Click on postal code. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR5. I'm going to put a space in, but may not need it. 4EA. PR5 4EA. Now then, it's one of these where you have to put a street in, no doubt. So all streets. Blackburn Road. So B. There, it's defaulted to Blackburn Road. We'll try again. Set. Right, that's it. Start. Again.
Please proceed to the indicated route.
Counterintuitive. you've got to you put the postcode in, looks like you can't just go to the postcode, you have to put the name of the street in and then it will take you there. That's how you work the system. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video, bye bye.